guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to choose your background photo on your account on Rednote easy and quickly. So first of all you have to enter the application, and next you will find this profile me section. Click on it as you see. Next you will find this profile, and here you can customize your profile as you want. Now you will find this background photo, and as you see, get to see your background, just click on it and you can choose any photo or wallpaper from your background, and you can set it right there and it will be added successfully. So that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.